We don't care. So stop asking.
Since when does having fun becoming a crime? Like, you just want to have some fun, but whenever you have fun, it's wrong. Like, explain that to me. How is having fun wrong? Like, you just want to celebrate your accomplishments, just crack jokes, crack some very funny jokes, some good ones. And you just want to embrace that villain role. Why don't people get it? Why do people always test your patience and act all mad when you're having fun? I have one answer for you and one answer only. They don't have that same type of blood you have. Like, you want to celebrate. Like, you want to embrace that villain role. You want to be cocky. You want to be villainous. So villainous, it ain't even been invented yet. But without the violence, of course. Because the violence is not good for you. You want to be more hungry and care less about what other people say about you. Because that is called being a man and embracing what's ahead of you. So what if they mad? So what if they look at you in a different way after you have your fun? So what? Let them be salty for a long period of time, and then they'll come back to you. You don't come back to them. You let them come back to you and say, yeah, that joke was kind of funny. They don't say anything. So don't stress, Mr. Stress a Lot, because that's not what a bad boy does, even though they want to test your patience. That is not a good thing. Have fun like you did back in your senior year. All of 2022, the previous year. Always have your fun. So what if they don't like it? Grab your homeboys, homegirls, home dogs, and let's get this job done. stop being a loser.